AumSum was walking through a school corridor where rows of metal lockers stood. As AumSum passed by, he stopped to open his locker. Something unusual happened. The locker door opened smoothly without any effort. Curious, AumSum lifted his hand slightly. The door moved exactly as his hand moved. He closed it gently, then opened it again without touching it at all. Miraculously, AumSum could now control lockers. As AumSum walked toward the school gym, he saw the lockers sliding closer together. One locker slowly lifted upward and stacked itself neatly on top of another. Then another locker followed. Soon, lockers were stacking themselves higher and higher, forming a tall metal tower. The tower grew taller, reaching close to the ceiling. Suddenly, something went wrong. The stacked lockers began wobbling. The tower leaned slightly to one side, making the entire stack shake. The metal tower swayed dangerously. If it fell, the heavy lockers could crash down or hurt someone who walked by. AumSum noticed the danger immediately. He stepped back and raised both hands. He tried guiding the lockers to stay still, but the tower continued wobbling. The higher it was, the harder it became to control. One locker near the top began slipping outward. AumSum lifted his hands higher and concentrated harder than before. He gently pulled the top lockers away from the stack, one by one. Each locker floated downward slowly instead of falling. The wobbling reduced as the tower became shorter. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum. AumSum was standing on an open field late at night, quietly watching the moon glow above him. As AumSum lifted his hands toward the moon, something strange happened. As his hands moved, the moon also seemed to move slightly. Curious, AumSum moved his hands again. High above, the moon again responded to AumSum's movements. Miraculously, AumSum could now control the moon. Suddenly, the calm night shattered. A sharp cracking sound echoed across the sky. AumSum looked up quickly. Thin glowing cracks had appeared across the surface of the moon. Small pieces of moon rock began breaking away. Floating loose around the damaged surface, the moon was cracking apart. As the cracks widened, more fragments drifted free. Some pieces began falling toward Earth. The ground below began trembling gently. If the moon continued breaking, the balance of the world would be lost. AumSum understood the danger immediately. Without hesitation, he stepped forward and raised both hands toward the sky. He focused deeply and reached out with his power. The broken moon resisted at first. AumSum lifted his hands higher and pulled firmly. Miraculously, one by one, the fragments stopped drifting and began moving back toward the moon. AumSum guided them carefully, slowing them down so they would not crash. Each piece slid smoothly back into place, fitting perfectly into the glowing cracks. But the moon was still unstable. The cracks continued spreading, threatening to open again. AumSum gathered the moonlight itself and pressed it gently into the damaged areas. Slowly, the cracks began sealing. The moon stopped shaking. The floating debris vanished. The night sky returned to stillness. The moon shone whole and steady again, lighting the world softly. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum. One bright morning, AumSum stretched, yawned, and got out of bed, only to step backwards. He tried again, but his feet wouldn't move forward. No matter how hard he tried, they only walked in reverse. At first, he thought it was a dream, but then he bumped into his desk, tripped over his chair, and walked backwards down the stairs. Outside, the streets were filled with people moving in reverse, bumping, falling, crashing into poles and walls. AumSum, however, didn't panic. He strapped two small mirrors to his shoulders and adjusted them like rear-view mirrors. Suddenly, he could see where he was going. He practiced walking. Soon, he could move faster than anyone else in town. At the park, he saw people struggling to get down the steps or avoid tripping on benches. AumSum began guiding them, using his mirrors to lead the way. He helped an old man reach his car, a little girl find her missing toy, and a confused dog return to its owner. Word spread quickly about the boy who could move smoothly in a world gone backwards. But things took a serious turn when news came of a train stuck inside a tunnel. It had lost power, and dozens of passengers were trapped inside. The rescue team couldn't reach them easily. Backward walking on train tracks was far too risky in the dark. Without hesitation, AumSum volunteered. He adjusted his mirrors, grabbed a flashlight, and headed into the tunnel, backwards. Step by careful step, he made his way in. He guided one passenger at a time out of the tunnel. It took hours, but he didn't stop. In the end, every person was safely out. AumSum had once again become a hero. AumSum was lying in the garden, enjoying the warm sunshine, when a butterfly landed on his nose. He blinked, and suddenly, the sky turned dark. Wind roared through the trees, and fat raindrops began to fall. Surprised, he blinked again, and the sun popped back out as if nothing had happened. He tested it again. One blink brought snowflakes swirling down. Another blink made the air hot and bright. Another brought a rainbow stretching across the sky. AumSum grinned. He could change the weather with just his eyes. At first, he had fun with it. He made sunny mornings for picnics, light showers for thirsty plants, and even short snowstorms just to watch the neighbors build snowmen. But everything changed one afternoon when trouble struck. Suddenly, dark smoke started to rise near a big school fair that was being held in the city park. A giant hot air balloon had broken loose and was drifting toward the mountains. Inside the basket were 3 frightened kids. The wind was carrying them faster and faster toward sharp, rocky peaks. AumSum knew the rescue teams would take too long. He dashed to the highest hill in the park, eyes locked on the balloon. He needed the right weather to save them. One blink brought strong winds that pushed the balloon away from the mountains, but it began drifting toward the river instead. He blinked again, calling in bright sun to calm the gusts, but the balloon still floated dangerously. Thinking fast, he blinked 3 times in a row. Dark storm clouds formed, and a gentle rain began. Then, with one strong blink, he made the rain heavier, soaking the balloon's fabric. Slowly, the balloon began to sink lower and lower. The balloon landed safely. The crowd cheered. AumSum had once again become a hero.